You probably have heard about the famous Changani Club Kachori. Nestled in Bada Bazaar's Nimbutala, this is an iconic local shop. Hundreds of customers line in front of the shop to relish the crisp and soft club kachori with Rajasthani style sabji. Without any doubt, this shop is famous all around for serving delish food. Another reason behind its popularity is Lali Changani. So many videos of this vendor have gone viral on various social media platforms, and most videos are about him getting offended. He often gets angry with people asking so many questions and interacts in a rude way, running for about 50 years. The taste and quality of this shop's food have always been impressing the customers, and the long line of people waiting outside shows its popularity. For the last few months, this kachori shop in Kolkata has been going viral on the internet for various reasons. A huge number of food vloggers often visit this shop to shoot videos, and the way Lali Shangani, the kachori wala, deals with them is always the talk of the town. So after all this, Lali Shangani is spreading their outlets all over Kolkata, like in Koikhali, Salt Lake Swimming Pool, Sharad Bosch Road, and etc. So I will visit Koikhali's newest outlet to taste the food and check the ambience. So watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
लाली शंगानी जी को तो हम सब जानते हैं, तो आज मैं आ चुकी हूँ उनका पहला आउटलेट दैट इज लोकेटेड इन पीएस मैकडम कोईखाली, एंड फॉर फुल लोकेशन डिटेल्स यू कैन जस्ट चेक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो बाय द वे, आई एम Somrita and you are watching Foodie Bong. So now let's go and try out the kachoris and let's see the process.
या 5 किलो लगाया हुआ है. हाँ, 1 किलो बची हुआ है. हाँ, ठीक है, उसको मिल गया ना 2 दे. और बोलो सेट कर देंगे. ठीक है. सब दे दो. आइए मैडम, दे दीजिए जलेबी वाला.
So guys, finally in my hand, this is the famous and the viral kachori and the sabji, as you can see. So this is like they have served the four pieces bhujia and the sabji. So let's have this out, and I'm literally like so much like excited to try this out. So guys, let's try out the kachori with the sabji and the bhujia. Let's have this. Good in taste, guys. The perfect kachori sabji with the bhujia. Guys, literally the sabji is so so perfect, and the kachori is like it's a perfect crispy one with the poor. Oh god, guys, as you can see, like the quantity of the sabji is so much, and the bhujia is also so much. And guys, the taste, what to say, it's literally lajabab. You have to try. And I can say it's perfect for breakfast. Guys, literally you have to try the Lali Changani's kachori. Let's taste this out again. Perfect स्वाद, जैसा कचौड़ी और सब्जी होता है. Like literally you can have this for the breakfast, and like you can pack this also for your home. That's also great idea. And I will must suggest you that this is the best kachori place in Kolkata. You have to come. And आप बड़ा बाजार भी जा सकते हो, लेकिन इस वाला आउटलेट में आओ. अगर आप कोईखाली एयरपोर्ट, बागवाटी, जिस भी एरिया में आप रहते हो तो आप आओ. I'm just in love with this. So we will now try the jalebis. So guys, after finishing the viral and the yummiest club kachori, I am trying the jalebi, and see the size. Oh god, see the size. So let's have this. Oh god guys, the taste is so good, and this is like fried in a pure desi ghee. So like the swad. I'm so much satisfied guys. The smell and the taste of the pure desi ghee is coming. You have to try their jalebis. It's literally good and perfect. So must try out the jalebis. So we will again return back in evening. So watch this video till end. Finally, I am back to try out the evening snacks in Lali Changani. So watch this video till end, and please come fast because the club kuchris over here are just awesome. And let's now try out the evening snack item. Many things are there. So watch this video till end.
कलम कचौड़ी. हाँ. आपका 206 रुपया हुआ भैया. अब जना मान लेना प्याज किसी में नहीं दिया, हमारा कोई आइटम नहीं है। एक ब्रेड पकौड़ा दिया।
So guys, let's now try out the bread pakoda. As you can see, it's looking really tempting one and perfect for the evening snacks. So let's give the bite. So guys, I can say you like the taste of this bread pakoda is literally so good, and the chutneys, oh my god. The feeling of the bread pakoda is literally so good and just yummy in taste. Like I can say you, it's perfect for a evening snack. It's a must try item in Lali Changani. You have to try this, guys. It's crispy, fluffy. Oh my god, you have to try this. And the chutneys are just so awesome in taste.
ब्रेड कितना निकालते हैं? अरे दो तीन को गलत मत इधर प्लेट की 2 पीस, 2-3 पीस ही दीजिए, बाकी बड़ा बाकी। आप 13 रुपया लेके आइए, हम आपको 50 रुपया दे देंगे। हाँ सर,
और 2 पकौड़े मिल जाएगा ना?
So now let's try out the gathia with the kakri. Means you can also say this as fafra. So let's try this out. With the kakri I will try. I can say, guys, like this is the perfect combination of the kakri and the gathia. And as you can see the size, just check the size. And like they just broke it into 2 parts, and the main part is there, like I showed you in the video. So let's try this out, guys. It's looking really tempting, and the taste is also perfect. Yeah, let's try out with the kakri. You have to try this. It's so perfect, guys. So now let's try out the fafra with the chai. Like I don't know this combination goes or not, but let's try. The combination is going so well. Ah, God, guys, this is the best chai ever I had. Like literally, guys, all of the food in Lali Changani is just so perfect, and the taste, like I cannot say anything, it's too much perfect. And soon they are opening their new outlets in Salt Lake Swimming Pool and Sharad Bush Road. If that is your nearest location, then you can just visit. And if you're staying in airport, Bagwati, Keshtupur, Koikhali, then you can just visit PS Magnum store. I am literally like satisfied with their food items, their staff's behavior, everything is so perfect. And for full location details, price details, you can just check out the description box. So guys, I'm literally satisfied, and now we will try out the dhokla. So let's try. guys, finally now let's try out the dhokla chaat with the bhujia. As you can see, this is looking really tempting and the decoration is really good. And here's the dhokla. Let's have this out. It's too much tasty. Like every chutney taste is coming with the bhujia, with the dhokla. It's a perfect combination. I'm trying this for the very first time and this is so delicious. Guys, as you can see, here is the dhokla and the bhujia and the chutney. Oh god, this is really tempting, guys. The taste of this, oh god. Guys, literally all of the evening snack item over here that I tried is the best one you have to try. If you like this video, please do a like, comment and share, and don't forget to visit Lali Changani's newest outlet. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.